If you're looking for an alternative to some of the other fiber powders you've been drinking that might be a little healthier, vegan, and prebiotic, I've got this Sunwarrior Be Well prebiotic fiber, which I'm going to try. I'm going to talk about the benefits of it. I'm going to talk about the features. I'm going to try some. And at the end of this video, I'll film it tomorrow and I'll give you part 2, if you know what I mean, about this video and and how it works. All right. So I'm going to open it up. Well, actually, before I open it up, let's talk about the features. So it's good for gut health. It's got 6 grams of prebiotic fiber per serving. It's meant to give you no excess gas or bloating, which I think some fiber powders can give you. And it promotes fullness or satiety. So if you drink it, you'll feel full. It might help you not want to snack or eat too much. So let's give it a try. It's got 15 calories per serving, 7 grams of carbs, 6 grams of dietary fiber, less than a gram of total sugars, and 0 added sugars. So I've never tried it before. What they say is maybe start with half of a serving, just so it's easier on your gut for the first time. So a full serving, I believe, is a tablespoon or a scoop. Oh, it comes with a scoop. So that's a nice touch. It comes with a scoop in it. I'm going to start with half a scoop. And supposedly it is flavorless. So let's give it a try. See how well it dissolves. Dissolves pretty easily. All right, bottoms up. Absolutely no flavor. And one thing that I do like is some of these other fiber supplements are a little bit gritty. This was totally smooth. I couldn't even tell there was anything in it. So you can drink it plain in water. You can also put it in juice, smoothies, etc. for added fiber. There are 2 key ingredients, sun fiber and baobab. I'm not actually familiar with what either of those are, but I think that they provide high fiber. There's 30 servings per bag. It's certified USDA organic and vegan. Okay, it's the next day, and as I promised, I wanted to come back and make a part 2, a number 2 report, if you will, on how the Sunwarrior prebiotic fiber works for me. And I would just like to report that the product is solid and smooth, if you know what I mean. So I would highly recommend this prebiotic fiber. I especially liked that it was flavorless. You mix it in water and I actually couldn't taste that it was there. And I'm happy to say that it did its job. So recommend this prebiotic fiber